Ready. First of all, we start from the name of Allah. Start with the 99 names of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious, who is the creator of the whole universe and the king of all the things. There is no God but Allah, and the Holy Prophet is the last prophet of Allah. Assalamu alaikum, dears. How are you? Fine? I hope you will be fine. Let's become introduce myself. My name is Hikmatullah. The means of my name is the grain of the wisdom. My father name is Azizullah. Recently I am studying in Banna Model College in N class on the buses of Peter. So now my dream is to become the great Muslim leader. But actually I am the follower of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and I am the follower also the Allama Iqbal. Such as Iqbal says to me, "Muhabbat mujhe un jawanon se hai, muhabbat mujhe un jawanon se hai, sitaron pe jo dalte hai kaman." So we chasing and following the thinking of Iqbal. So we trying to best to unite all the Muslims. I am an ideal person. My hobby means which things to do in spare time or in surplus time. My hobby is to study Islamic history and also Pakistan affairs and also general knowledge. Now we come to my topic. So my topic is picture illustration or picture description. Picture description or picture illustration is an international and easiest way of learning English in short time without grammar. It is an authentic and international and attentive way of English learning. So first of all, when we talking or when we describing some lesson, so it has must a title. So we give the title to my picture. So the title of my picture is Zoo. So zoo is a Latin word, biological word, which means an animals. So this place where an animals living, in the place of animals. So we take start. There is a lot of rules of picture illustration, but here we will describe some in front of you. After that, we come to the color and character of the pictures. We take start from the left side. This is an elephant. Its color is gray. This is the pool, and the water color is blue. And here, 4 or 5 elephants are present. So you must note the general knowledge with yourself. An elephant is the biggest animals on the soil, on the surface of the earth. So this is the person which is spread on the elephant. The clothes color of the person, the shirt is green and the pant is gray, and the hair color is yellow. The second person, the shirt color is green and the underwear color is the combination of red and violet, and the hair color is yellow. And this is the female. The shirt color of the female is red and the hair color is gray. These two persons, this is the couple. It has 2 persons, and the color of the clothes of the 2 persons same. So the shirt color is green and the pant color is gray. And here on the shoulder of it, a huge wooden or tree, and the tree color is gray. This is the room, or this is the cabin which used for the animals. It has a combination of many colors. The first color is red, the mid color is red, green, and the wall color is white and yellow combination. This is the person which shirt color is red and the hair color is indigo. And this is a giraffe. Giraffe is the combination of two colors. It has such like the flag of Jamiyat-e-Ulama Islam. So black and white colors are present in his skin. This is the plant, and the plant leaves color is green and the trunk color is gray. This is the person with his daughter, maybe son or daughter. The person's shirt color is teal and the shirt color, pant color is indigo. And the baby shirt color is the combination of red and indigo. And the underwear color is red and the hair color is black. This is another person which has a leather. The leather color is white and the person's shirt color is green and the pant color is gray. This is also the person which is shirt color is blue and the pant color is green and the hair color is yellow. The hair, some another couple. If you watch, there is 3 persons and 1 person is next to each other. The first person, the pant color is black and the shirt color is gray. The second female, in mid, between the 2 persons, the pant color is gray and the shirt color is the combination of gray and white. The hair color of all of 3 is black. And the third person, the pant color is blue and the shirt color is white. The opposite person of these 3 persons, the shirt color is the combination of white and red or maybe gray, and the pant color is blue. This is another person which take a baby with his leg. The pant color is gray and the shirt color is also gray. This is the children which is shirt color is blue, red, and the pant color is blue. This is the female, and the female all each maybe wear a shalwar kameez. The shirt color, all the clothes color is red, and he is a baby cage, and the baby in the cage, the baby color shirt color is blue, and his daughter, the daughter's shirt color is blue and the pant color is gray. This is maybe a resting place or a restaurant, and it has the combination of many colors. The ceiling of the room, it has two pigeons. The pigeon color is absolutely black, and the ceiling color is green and white, and also white, yellow, and combination of many colors. In front of them, it has a female, maybe female. The female shirt color is white and the pant color is black. On the side, it has a small cafe. A cafe on the upper side of the cafe, it has the umbrella. Umbrella is a combination of 2 colors. The lines which is paused on the umbrella, it is made up from black, and the portion which has divided in different portions, the portion color is black. And on the upper side of the umbrella, 2 sparrows are sitting. Below the umbrella, one maybe a family, wife or husband and his daughter, and the husband clothes color is red and the wife clothes color is indigo, and also the daughter wife clothes is indigo. And here 2 couple, maybe they are girlfriend in college. So the first female, the shirt color is gray and the pant color is white. And the second, the shirt color is red and the pant color is the combination of red and white. This is also the next person which is spraying the water on, or maybe a service. The shirt color is green and the pant color is gray. Also the second person is same like that. So there is another couple, maybe wife or husband. So the underwear and bra color is red of the female and the hair color is yellow. And the husband, the shirt color is blue and the underwear color is black. There may be another couple. The person shirt color is blue and the pant color is black. The female shirt color is indigo and the pant color is the combination of indigo and black. There may be a bus. Bus is the combination of three colors: yellow, green, and the tire color is black. There may be a lot of passengers which has different colors. On the side of the train, small children, the first children, cloth is color blue, green, and the combination of green and white. The second children, blue and the combination of blue and white, and the third, the daughter color is red. This is maybe a pole. In the pole it is a plant, and the plant on the upper side it is a grass. The grass color is gray, and this is the monkey, and the monkey color is also gray. And here is the water color is blue, and the plant trunk color is gray. These three person, and the first, this may be female. The female cloth is color red and also the combination of red and white. The male shirt is white and the pant color is gray. And the shirt, the third person, the shirt is green, red and blue and the pant color is gray. And this is a tractor, and the tractor color is the body color is red and the tire color is blue. And the driver which is sitting in the tractor, the shirt color is red, green and the pant color is gray. So if we come to the next portion of the picture, it is the action and activities. So now we define the action and activities in this picture. This is the elephant. The elephant is bathing in the water. And the second, four females, elephants, which is maybe standing for the bathing and maybe cause for the food. This is the person, and the person is spraying on the elephants. This is the couple of two persons next another, which take a huge wooden block on his shoulder, whether they may be go or for some aim. This is the next room, which is used for a lot of purposes, where maybe food is used for the animals. This is a giraffe which grazing on the shrubs. This is also a room. This is the person and his daughter, which is pointing over the animals. This is the person which take a ladder on his shoulder. These three person which is standing and drawing a picture, and the right side is a cameraman. And this is also the person which take a baby on his neck. And this is the female which go out for the refreshment of his children. And this is also the room for refreshment. And here a lot of people which is taking food or gossiping with each other. And this too may be a female which is describing on some issue and take a file in his hand. This is also a couple which is maybe going to an office or a school or an institution. This is the bus which is going to the any other place, and the passenger which is passing and trailing on the bus. So there is a lot of people which is going for different purposes. Every person has its own purpose, such as we conclude that these 5 fingers, it has different length. They may be small, they may be medium, they may be large, and they may be also medium, they may be fat. So the 5 fingers is not equal with each other. So the mindset of every person is not equal with each other. It is distinct for every person. Oh, this is a tractor which is standing for some purpose, for some working, and this is also the a lot of people are gathering with each other and also proposing with each other. And this is the wagon, and the wooden is taken by the wagon, which is going some other place. This is the cranes, which is flying above the apartment, and the ceiling of apartment is green, which is the crane is taking an insect for its wood. So there is a monkey and cranes which is combing and the trees of the trunk. These three person is spectators for the cranes and monkeys. And this is also the second maybe a greenhouse where is plant used for the plants to rapid growth. This is also for animals and this is also maybe for animals. So in last we come to summary of my picture. Summary means to describe a picture in few words. Basic theme of the picture to describe in few words. So the aim of my picture is to zoo, and the people which is coming to the zoo for refreshment during evening time for the refreshment. So after that, if we come, you give me a lot of time and your precious time, your fragile time. So I am very thankful for giving me your ears and also your precious time. If I have committed any type of error or mistake or any other else, so we ask your apologize, your pardon and your forgiveness. But only we asking my forgiveness from my God, but not from the humanity, but for the hukuk of Muslims, we ask forgiveness from the humanity, but he doesn't ask from my Allah. So I have very thankful, I have a lot of thankful, Jukshukar to the Academy of Skyland and dear Sarah Amana to give me such opportunity for expressing and illustrating a picture. But actually, I am not available of this data. We will describe in front of you by the grace of God, and also second, by the grace of dear Sarah Amana, we will able to describe a picture and asking an English in front of you. Thank you so much for giving me a fragile time. Echo, okay, objection, kill.
Right.